2025 Topps Series 2 36 card jumbo pack. I was trying to get my videos done before the storms came through, but had to run some errands, and I've got just this one pack left for today, and it looks like the storms are here, so we'll hear some thunder in the background. Now this will be video 2 of 2. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2, where we opened up the first pack, and there was, I'll just say there was a game-worn jersey card in there. Really excited about that, so be sure to check out that video to see what we landed. Light, not going to be as much light, but we'll get through this. Start with Jorge Polanco. Rookie card of Seth Johnson. Javier Assad. Oswaldo Cabrera. Future Stars card of Noelvi Marte. Alexis Diaz. Edmundo Sosa. We're getting a lot of the similar cards. Rookie card of Hayden Birdsong. That's the first one for that. Rookie card of Jackson Jobe. Austin Hedges. Nick Castellanos. Rookie card of Gustavo Campero. Pavin Smith. Joey Bart. Rookie card of Jack Neely. Matthew Boyd. Joey Loperfido. Or Loperfido. There is a Milwaukee Brewers team card. Very cool on that. We'll take it. Rookie card of Deshaun Kiersey. Josh Bell. Kiki Hernandez. Jose Siri. Rookie card of Dustin Harris. Michael Harris II. Getting a lot of duplicates, almost like this pack was put together close to the other one. Stars of the MLB, we have Blake Snell. Rookie card of Kevin Alcantara. Well, this looks like an interesting card. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. and Bo Bichette. I think this might be sons of Major League players, because that's definitely what they are. Those are both sons of Major League players. There is a 1990 Topps Retro themed card, 35th anniversary of Chris Sale. Very cool on that. We'll take it. Rookie card of Ben Casparias. Cutter Crawford. Jose Iglesias. Future Stars card of Zach Geloff. Tyler O'Neill. Byron Buxton. Future Stars card of Heston Kjerstad. And finally, the Detroit Tigers card. Quartet Won't Forget. We picked up this card in the last pack as well. So very good. A lot of similar cards in this 36 card jumbo pack that we picked up in the first one. Except we didn't get any game-worn memorabilia jersey cards in this pack. There you have it, folks. 2025 Topps Series 2 36 card jumbo pack, 2 of 2. Video 2 of 2. Thanks for watching, y'all. Stay safe and stay tuned.